In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable full screen mode on Google Meet app. To begin, you need to be inside your Google Meet meeting. Make sure the meeting window is open on your screen. Then move your mouse over the meeting area. Once you move your mouse, pay attention to the bottom menu bar. You should see the bottom bar appear, usually with several icons. If the bar does not show up right away, move your mouse slightly again within the meeting window. Next, look near the bottom right corner of the meeting window. You should see a set of 3 vertical dots icon there. This is the menu that contains extra viewing and meeting options. Click those 3 vertical dots to open the pop-up menu. After you click the 3 vertical dots icon, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, choose the option labeled Full Screen. Now there is one additional option you can use, which is optional. If you want an even cleaner full screen view, you can press the F11 key on your keyboard. Pressing F11 is commonly used to hide your browser address bar and browser task elements. When you press F11, your browser typically switches into a full screen viewing mode. You will likely see the meeting become even more immersive, with less screen clutter overall. At this point, you are done with the main setup. That covers everything you need to know.